Hi. Welcome back. In today's class we will be learning Introduction to SQL for Business Analysts. In this class, business analysts will learn the essentials of structured query language, SQL, a powerful tool used to manage and manipulate relational databases. SQL enables analysts to extract, filter, and analyze data stored in databases, allowing them to draw insights that support business decision-making. This class will introduce the basic concepts of SQL and the key functions that business analysts use to interact with data. Basics of SQL, Structured Query Language. SQL is a domain-specific language used for managing data held in Relational Database Management Systems, RDBMS. It is the standard language for querying and manipulating databases. SQL allows users to create, read, update, and delete data, often abbreviated as CRUD operations. Purpose of SQL for business analysts. Data retrieval. SQL is used to retrieve data from databases for analysis. Data manipulation. Business analysts use SQL to update or modify data records as necessary. Data aggregation. SQL enables analysts to group and summarize data, helping to draw meaningful insights. Data filtering. Analysts can filter and refine the data to focus on relevant subsets, aiding in more accurate decision-making. Relational databases. SQL is typically used with relational databases, where data is stored in tables that are related to one another. Some examples of relational database management systems include MySQL, an open-source database commonly used in web applications. PostgreSQL, a powerful open-source object relational database system. Microsoft SQL Server, a relational database management system developed by Microsoft. Writing SQL queries. Select statement. The select statement is used to retrieve data from one or more tables in a database. It allows analysts to specify the exact columns and rows they want to retrieve. Syntax example. Select column 1, column 2 from table_name. This query retrieves data from the specified columns in the table. Where clause. The where clause is used to filter records based on specific conditions. Analysts use it to narrow down the results and only retrieve data that meets certain criteria. Syntax example. Select column 1, column 2 from table_name where condition. This query will return data only if the condition specified is true, e.g., age greater than 30. Join statement. The join statement is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column. It allows analysts to analyze data from multiple sources in one query. Inner join returns records that have matching values in both tables. Syntax example. Select column 1, column 2 from table 1 inner join table 2 on table 1, ID equals table 2, ID. Left join returns all records from the left table and matched records from the right table, with null where there is no match. Group by clause. The group by clause is used to group rows that have the same values into summary rows, such as total count or average. Analysts use this to aggregate data into meaningful summaries. Syntax example. Select column 1, count, asterisk, from table_name group by column 1. This query counts the number of records in each group specified by column 1. Filtering and sorting data. Filtering data. SQL provides multiple ways to filter data. Apart from the where clause, analysts can use the following. And/or combine multiple conditions in the where clause. IN filters the data to include only the rows where the column matches one of the values in the list. Example. Select asterisk from table_name where column 1 IN, value 1, value 2, value 3. Sorting data. The order by clause allows analysts to sort data in ascending, ASC, or descending, desk, order based on one or more columns. Syntax example. Select column 1, column 2 from table_name order by column 1 desk. This query sorts the data by column 1 in descending order. Extracting insights using SQL. SQL is crucial for extracting insights from data, and business analysts use several functions and clauses to analyze trends, compare datasets, and generate useful reports. Aggregation functions. Count returns the number of rows in a group. Sum adds up all the values in a numerical column. AVG calculates the average value of a numerical column. Example. Select AVG, sales_amount, from sales_data where sales_date January 1st, 2024. Case statements. SQL's case statement allows analysts to create conditional logic within queries, similar to an if-then-else structure. Syntax example. Select sales_amount. Case. When sales_amount greater than 1,000 then high. When sales_amount between 500 and 1,000 then medium. Else low. End as sales_category. From sales_data. This query categorizes sales based on the amount. Common SQL tools for business analysts. Business analysts often work with various SQL-based tools to interact with databases and perform data analysis. Some popular tools include MySQL, a popular open-source relational database management system often used in web development. PostgreSQL, known for its advanced features and flexibility, PostgreSQL is often used for large-scale, complex queries. Microsoft SQL Server, a database management system by Microsoft, commonly used in enterprises for managing large databases. Each of these tools has a unique set of features but follows the standard SQL syntax, allowing analysts to work seamlessly across different platforms. Conclusion. Introduction to SQL for Business Analysts introduces the core concepts of SQL, focusing on its practical applications for data extraction and analysis. By mastering SQL, business analysts can query and manipulate data effectively, allowing them to derive insights that guide business decisions. With the tools and techniques learned in this class, analysts can work efficiently with relational databases to support their data-driven decision-making processes. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.